Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to wash clothes in the Kelvinator top load fully automatic. So let's get started. This is water connection. I have already put clothes in the machine. Now I am putting detergent. There is no tray to put detergent, so we have to put detergent on the surface of the clothes. Now power on. Here are different modes. If I select number 1 standard, it takes a lot of time. It is used to clean the clothes which are very dirty, so I am selecting quick mode 03. It is showing 23 minutes. It displays BB means wash. The clothes are getting washed. Now the water is drained out. It displays CC and 9 minutes means rinse. Now 6 minutes. Now it shows DD. It means spin. It is spinning the clothes. Now the water is drained out. Now the clothes are getting dried. The process is complete now, and we will turn off the machine. Now the clothes are ready to take out. They are dried completely. Thank you so much for watching this video.